Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this rather pointy black and white manicure. If you like nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Today I'm going to be doing a gel manicure using mostly pink shellac products. I've already used the pink shellac primer, and now I'm going to apply the pink shellac base, and then that needs to cure for 15 seconds under the LED lamp. My base color for this manicure is going to be the pink shellac soft white. Then I'm going to be stamping a design using Moyu London Black Night. For the top coat, I'm using the pink shellac Ultra Shine. And as my pigment, I'm using Sally Hansen Gunmetal. The image plate that I'm using today is from the Moyu Gothic collection. It's plate number 3, and the particular image that I'm going to be using is this pointy cross. I'm going to be placing it at the base of my nail, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be using Moyu London Black Night. For my stamper today, I have my Bliss Kiss stamper, as well as my Bliss Kiss scraper. If you get any stamps that are crooked or that you're not quite happy with, you can use a little bit of alcohol to remove it from the gel. And the gel's already cured. You can just go ahead and saturate a cotton ball or a piece of paper towel, and you can remove the stamping polish without removing the gel polish. And I think I'll use a paper towel to fully clean that up. But once you're done, you're ready to just redo that stamp. If you have any places in the design where you have a little gap and there's white showing through, you can touch that up with a bit of the stamping polish and a small brush. Then I'm going to clean up around the edges, any areas that are overstamped. Next, I'll be applying the pink shellac Ultra Shine, which is a no-wipe type top coat, and then curing that under the LED light for 60 seconds. Once the no-wipe top coat is cured, you can take your pigment and a sponge tip applicator. Just need a very little bit, and go ahead and start buffing that into your nails. It'll look a little different over the black and over the white. Once I'm done, I'm going to brush off the excess and then top coat and cure again. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pretty pleased with how it turned out. I did have some issues while I was recording the tutorial, both with the gel polish and unfortunately with my camera, so I hope this tutorial edits okay, and if it's a bit discombobulated, I do apologize. A new camera may be in my future. If you'd like to see all the struggle as well as the extended tutorial, the VOD is available right now over on my Twitch channel, or I'll be uploading it here to YouTube tomorrow. I'd love to hear what you think of these down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.